Hey Nailiaddicts, welcome to my channel and welcome if you're new. For Black Friday, I went on Zillabeau to pick up another Korean brand that I had wanted to try. It's called Tiny and I got two collections. One was the Lang Lang and the other was the Soda Pop collection. I saw some other brands, but this is the one that I really wanted to try most was Tiny. So let's take a look at what I got. I also picked up the resin 99.9 from Izemi. I've been hearing a lot of good things about that top coat. So I thought this was a good chance since it was on sale for me to try it out. I've seen a lot of people use this. It has a really thick consistency and it's supposed to leave your nails like really shiny with a really glossy top coat. So we'll see. I'm gonna try it out. So for this first collection, it was a Soda Pop collection. So it's glitters, and it looks like it has holographic glitters in it also, and it's magnetic. They give you this display card that was like made out of a hard material. Oh, oh, oh my God. Oh my God, I freaking broke it. So yeah, that happened. I was trying to put the display together and I pushed too hard to try to connect it and I actually broke it in half. So I was like, okay, great. How am I going to fix this? And I used the Izami top coat resin to fix it. I just put it back together and I put it all around where it was broke and I put it in the lamp and put it in the UV lamp and it actually fixed it. So that stuff is not just good for nails. It is made out of resin. So yeah, the stand is back. As you can see, the stand is back fixed. But I don't know why I was so rough on it like that. That was crazy. So I'm gonna finish swatching out the rest of these. You can see the magnetic particles move, but because of the lighting, I have this new half moon lighting, and I'm still trying to get the hang on where to position it. And plus, I'm not using my iPad to film. I'm actually using my phone to film. So the lighting is gonna go like from warm to cool automatically. So I'm trying to see how I can adjust that. So you may not be able to really get a good look at the magnetic shifts. You can see it when it's initially happening, but like when I show you the shots of how the nail looks like after I've top coated it and everything, you can kind of still see it, but you mostly just see the holographic glitter. I can tell y'all in person, uh, the glitter and the sparkle and the shine from these polishes are, the camera wouldn't have done it justice. I don't care what kind of lighting you put it in. You really have to see this up close and personal. But I'm doing the best I can do to show y'all how nice these polishes were. I really enjoyed using them. So I went ahead and top coated it half in regular shiny top coat, and then the bottom half I did in matte. It looks like frosted glass almost when it's in matte, but you can barely see any of the magnetic shift. And this is the set that I came up with using. I think I only used 3 of the 8. I'm still trying to figure out how I can incorporate it into some other like holiday sets. But the blue and the kind of sea green and lavender gave me kind of like a winter vibe, like a icy, snow icy kind of vibe. And so this is what I came up with. So for this next set, it came with 14 altogether. So it's 2 different collections, 7 each. And it came in 2 separate boxes. And so this is the first box. And it mostly consists of like these really pretty, like coral, peachy, pink colors. And the next set is kind of more like purpley pink. But a lot of nudes, a lot of neutrals that are going to look really good for like background colors, especially when you're doing like Frenchies and stuff. So let's take a look at this set. I'm going to swatch it out. Okay, and here is the second box. These colors were a little bit darker than the first collection, but they still fit the theme. And you can see they kind of got some purples, some kind of darker peach tones, and it has like a creamy color, but the first box has the milky white. This one is more of a like a beige kind of color. I enjoyed both collections. The consistency was really good. It's syrup, so the consistency was thick, and at first it's transparent, but it's definitely buildable. The second coat gives you more of a full coverage, but not too opaque. It still has that transparency in it. Okay, Nailiaddicts, this was the last color, and this is the entire both sets. I did glossy and matte. Hope you guys enjoyed this little swatch party and review. Please join me for my next unboxing of Sean Legend's holiday set, and please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.